She always ready. Period.
Excitement, chin down just a little bit. I like the confidence. Turn your head this way a little bit. Yep, right there.
Let's go, LA.
All right. Don't play with me and my cousin these days. Period.
Knife sets, cooking spoons, paper towel, and spatulas. You should have a coffee pot, coffee essentials, a toaster, a teapot, and a blender. As, like I said, 4 table settings as well. Cereal bowls and cooking utensils, cheese graters, strainers, bowls for mixing, spoons, forks, knives, bottle opener for your wine. You want to have also oven mitts, dish rags, as well as pots, pans. Essentials, you need 4 sets of everything. We can host 4 guests in our Airbnb. So we have 4 champagne glasses, 4 water glasses, 4 wine glasses, 4 mugs.
Motivation, bro. I tell you that. Real talk.
Thank you. And I'm proud of y'all. Y'all doing y'all thing.
I love it, bro.
Certain percentage of rentals or units specifically for that because it's just smart business.
Mm-hmm.
That's something else you get involved in. So I was like, we linked up one day, we started talking, and then I saw the whole way he operates. Got into the training, so I operates, and then it all made sense. I was looking for something else to invest in because I do taxes, I do personal business credit. That's what we lost. She was like, yeah, Justin. I was like, Justin? Who's Justin? And then I talked to Mills, and he was like, yeah, Justin, the one who put. I was like, whoa. So I started connecting the dots. I was like, I gotta meet this Justin.
Be verbal. You can't market the unit on third-party websites. None of that. But then there's also a section on there that says unless permitted by management. And that's when you want to have your paperwork and here calling up our hey, we know you're doing Airbnb, but is it available? Because we feel bad for the guy. So I ended up learning that you can do it, but there's a way to go about it because in the lease agreement it does state you can't Super Bowl weekend. There's nothing available Super Bowl weekend.
Yep.
I'm pulling my team together. Yo, let's get on the phone. Let's tell Airbnb they gotta take this down, and let's try to find this person a place to stay. We going on Airbnb, finding all these other apartments. But they were apparently doing it the right way. Well, technically, because they didn't tell us about it. But this person had his property listed and still taking people's money to the point you flying in from Miami got invited to the you should be here. But I did well. I made money. I got the BMW. I built teams in Africa and all these places I've never even been to, just virtually. So anything that I put my mind to, again, it was like, how can I? Again, that was just something that I had to physically do, and then I got kidnapped and invited to a opportunity meeting, network marketing. Like Mary Kay, Ava. I became a father when I was 20, but don't have 2 semesters of a college education until they sent me back to Brooklyn to kick me out. But
pretty good one. Doing taxes on the side, treating it as a side hustle, right? So she came home every day with a headache. day versus making it on the weekend or making it when people book you. So I started looking into contracts with the school board of New Orleans. So I secured one. And once
I used to ask them for feedback, and they're like, "You're a great boss. You really take care of us. You do all these different things." I say, "No, what I do wrong? I need to know what I'm doing wrong. Everybody won't tell you what you do right, and I'm proud of you. You're doing so well. I don't want to hear that. I want to hear what can we." Getting ready to set up our unit. Airbnb heck, Dollar Tree and Goodwill have so many good Airbnb essentials. I can't wait to show y'all what we got from Goodwill for our new Airbnb.
Amazon is like $60. You can just get a component. What I'll do is I have 100 of them in a box locked up in a unit. Someone stashed the cleaners, and if you lose it, I'll charge a $250 fee, and I'll just tell the cleaners to just replace it basically. So run that play alone, you're gonna make a lot. Because for some reason, guests just happen to just lose the files. I don't know why, but it works out every time. You'll be surprised man, with a lot of these guests, like, it's like, once we get reservations, the reservations, the code for those are not digits are the number one reservation. So I had a guest stand by that door when she checked in the other day for at least like 15 minutes trying to figure out the code. I'm just like, yo, the instructions are all in our check-in instructions that you get 24 hours before you arrive. So even though it's like should be like okay, like just some guests they just don't read for whatever reason. They just think the code is 1, 2, 3, 4. I guess I don't know. Yeah, I think about the thing you said. The heights of things are not even beneficial to them. I definitely appreciate that. Some value from you all. We definitely and Christina, that actually did happen to me. And it's crazy that happened. At the first unit that got in Texas. Had no idea how the power was on that whole time, but got a message from the guest while we were doing the clubhouse room, which is crazy. How ironic is that? I was doing the clubhouse room and I received a message and power's out. So yeah, my is that we get it done. But appreciate you sharing that, them showing empathy and picking up the phone. So for those of you that might feel nervous, to call and pick up the phone, let me tell you this right now, just they don't know. I mean, as far as how I share with folks, I'm not putting no listings in our feed. So if you ever go see a listing, it's hosted by the LLC. It's hosted by the company. If I ever have to call, which thankfully most of the time I don't, because we got co-hosts, if I ever have to call, because I'm comfortable doing it, and from my experience as property manager, to handle 1, 2, 3, 4, units compared to 500 something, maybe probably not managed at 600, almost 800 units. To do this, there's a walk in the park compared to issues that I've heard working at apartment complexes. So again, picking up the phone, showing empathy, makes a big difference because you and I know messages, text messages can be, taken out of context. I'm pretty sure you sent a text to somebody before and, something that you had intended it for it to be transmitted is not how it is. So picking up the phone, showing empathy makes a big difference in turning a 1-star, 2-star experience into a 5-star review. Just that gesture alone.
That's a mindset. That's a chain of command. Yep. Being grateful. As you're being grateful, you're commanding more things to be grateful for. That's right. you really could tell life whatever you want, however you want it to go. You just tell it, and that's what's gonna happen. That's exactly what's gonna be happening. Writing stuff down. And I'll people this when I bought my first house. I used to drop up in the driveway, and I'm like, I'm gonna live here. And at the time, I couldn't even afford the house. I ended up buying a house, and I think it was like $40,000 cheaper than it originally was. Some kind of crazy way it had went into foreclosure as I was purchasing a home from the previous owner. Wow. And I couldn't afford the house at the time, and I'm like, this is gonna be my house in the driveway, and I still have in my notes. I said one day I was gonna post it, and I have the address. This is where I live. I have it written down. I don't know why I'm shocked and surprised. I just love it. I love that. I just love when that happens for us. But you also have to believe that you could do that. That's right. Yeah. The thing that happened are the things that we believe. So you really gotta believe that you could do it. You gotta believe that you can, have this boutique. You gotta believe that you can actually make a living off of it. Because I'm sure before you stepped out, I'm not gonna work no more. Like I'm gonna just run my boutique. You your mind that I can do this. Well, yeah, I put it in my mind because I always knew what I had in me. Always knew it. But I also know that I went to school and I had a degree. So also with my degrees, I felt as if I needed to work somewhere. I got this degree, I need to work in this field. But not necessarily. I got a lot from that aside from the degree. It helped me with discipline going to college and going to grad school. My communication skills. It helped me to juggle things more than one class at once. Now I can handle more than one thing in my business at one time. So those skills. It's just always been in me. I've always just believed. Even during the times when I lived in LA and I really could not afford it at all. But I wasn't ever homeless or hungry. I was not ever homeless or hungry. I just didn't have the amount of money I was used to seeing in my account, but it's okay. I was in a sacrificial season. And what I would do was, and I understood what season I was in. I knew it was going to be like that forever. But, sometimes you can get down and you're thinking, well, I'm going to just sit home and work from home. No, what I would do, I would get out, I would go to the coffee shop and get from that environment where I was, go somewhere different. So I would work from the coffee shop, but prior to going, I would pack my lunch. So I'll pack me a few sandwiches because I know I'm going to be in there 8+ hours. And I also knew that I didn't have money to buy coffee. Like, I was sacrificing. I didn't have the extra to spend. So what I would do is I would bring my hot water there, hot water in my tea bag. They have free sugars and stuff there. Like, you just ask for hot water. You can get tea. If I bring that there, I got being at work, I used to be telling those girls, I'm about to get out of here, girl. I'm about to go do this. Everything that I'm doing right now, I told them that I was doing. They see me on, I told them not on Instagram, but they see me on Facebook and be like, oh my God, girl, you said this. You said this. So I am actually working on a book right now entitled I Always Knew. So when you said that, I was like, wow. So
That I am today. I am constantly showing my daughter how to carry herself. Keep in mind, I always wasn't this graceful. I always remind her to don't wait too late to be confident, because there's many women that are paying for women to tell them just that.